Hi friends, today we are going to grocery store to buy some yummy food. Grab your baskets and let's go. Where is the milk? Where is the milk? I need some apples. I need some apples. Repeat after me. I need some. Put it in the cart. Put it in the cart. Repeat after me. Put it in the cart. Sometimes we cannot find what we need. Let's ask a shopkeeper. We say, excuse me. And we need something and cannot find. We say to shopkeeper, excuse me, how much is this? Repeat after me. How much is this? Thank you for our help. Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. Repeat after me. Thank you for your help. See you in next video. Okay, goodbye. Take care.